Hello everyone and welcome to Purpose Bling Girl Bosses. My name's Natoya and I'm here to help you grow your paparazzi business to 1K and beyond. So in this video, I am going to answer the question, what is PV, what is OV, and why does it matter? So I was so confused with these two terms, and it's so not that serious. I was just so confused because there was just so much going on when I first started my paparazzi business that everything kind of just overwhelmed me. So let me just explain the difference between PV, OV, and why the heck they matter. So let's start with PV. So PV stands for personal volume, or in other words, how many pieces of jewelry you bought. So we can talk about the PV in your month or the PV for the year, the paparazzi year, which starts at July 1st and ends on June 30th. So for every one item you purchase in your back office or on the paparazzi accessories websites in your account, for every one item you buy, you get 2 PVs. So say, for example, you buy 10 items, you will get 20 PVs. And if you purchase a Z set, you get 10 PVs. So it doesn't matter the item, a necklace, a ring, a bracelet, it doesn't matter. It is 2 PVs for that item, or if it's a Z set, it is 10 PVs. Okay, so an organization value, or OVs, that is the amount of items your downline bought for you. So all the people that signed up where you are their sponsor, that is the OV. So that means how many pieces that your entire team purchased in a month, in a year, it doesn't matter. When we're talking about OVs, we're talking about how many items your entire team purchased. And again, it's the same thing. Each $2.75 item is 2 PVs. Each Z set is 10 PVs. So why does PV and OV matter? Why are we even talking about this? They matter because these numbers help you to decide how you're going to move up in rank or how you're going to maintain your rank. So at the very, very bare minimum, each month you need to have 50 PVs, meaning you need to buy 25 pieces of jewelry on your back office, so that this way you can be a star consultant. And why you want to be a star consultant? For a few reasons. Number one, you show up in the paparazzi directories. So as you know, anyone trying to join paparazzi must join underneath a existing consultant. So for you to show up in the directory, you need to be active, which is the same thing as having 50 PVs. Number two, so that you can earn your commission, so you can get your commission. So for all the people that are under you, you gain commission from all the people that are under you. That's a whole other video. But for you to get your commission, you need to be active, or you need to have 50 PVs for that month. And again, to maintain your ranking. If you're a premier director, if you're a jet setter, you need to purchase a certain amount of items per month to maintain your ranking. So for the star consultant, like I said, you need 50 PVs. So for the executive director to jet setter, you need 100 PVs. And the Lux jet setter and above, you need to have 250 PVs. So again, to maintain your ranking, to move up in ranking, this is when PVs are important. So another reason why knowing your PV is important is because of something called life of the party, and I'm going to discuss that in a whole other video. So it's certain rankings. It has to do with the amount of items you purchase. It's certain rankings that as you go up in rankings, you gain a ton of super duper awesome perks. So there's bronze, silver, gold, diamond, and black diamond. Hope I didn't miss any. But as you go up in rankings, you gain a ton of perks. So it's something to aim for as long as you are selling your jewelry, not just buying a whole bunch of jewelry. It's something you aim for as a paparazzi consultant. All right, so why is OV important? Why is your overall volume important? Again, to move up in ranking. So PV is to maintain your ranking. while OV is to help you move up in ranking. PV is mandatory, while OV is help you move up in ranking. So basically, just to sum it up, I won't get into numbers. The more items your team purchases, and ultimately sells, the higher your ranking goes. So basically, as you grow your paparazzi business, it's a combination of having a certain OV and having a certain PV. They're kind of just working together to help you maintain the status and earn a certain income. As a newbie paparazzi consultant on your mission to make your first 1K, you should be thinking about your first step is to maintain the 50 PVs per month, which I'm sure you will be doing anyway. You're selling your jewelry, you need more jewelry. So that's your first step, maintaining your 50 PVs per a month. And then, of course, if you want to start sharing your business with other people, this opportunity with other people, you can do that as well and move up to director when you get your first 3 team members. So that is all, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I didn't ramble too much. I just really want you to understand what's even the purpose of us talking about PV? What's even the purpose of OV? Why does it matter? So let me know if you do have any questions. Please post them in the comments. And if you did like this video, please click like and of course subscribe. I share videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So do subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.